Going on YouTube, is your boy Fast Life Ty. This video is basically gonna be about me installing my neutral lock and my JLT catch can. Also, I want to point out that I did fix my screen. I seen a comment basically saying that is very common in my model's charger. So yeah, I fixed it. Everything was working good. See, SRT. So I couldn't even tap the screen. I could tap the screen. Everything is working good. I can tap everything, and it's not tapping around for me. Bluetooth. Yeah, it's working good. First thing you want to do with the neutral lock, just pop the sides. And then there's 4 clips here. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 4 clips total. I just basically just pulled it up. And then when you look down, you're gonna see 2 screws. They're 8mm. Should look like that. All right, so the lock is now in. I'll just put everything back. There we go. When they try to put your car in neutral, they can't because there's braces here. You know what I'm saying? So you always want to just carry the 8mm socket with you just in case. You know, say you need a tow truck and they need to put it in neutral, so you already know what to do. Just pop the sides off, pull this up, remove the lock, then they'll be able to put it in neutral. So I would just keep an 8mm with you in the trunk, so you can just access it whenever you need to. And that's it. So all you're gonna need is a 17mm socket. That's it. So this goes behind. That locks in. And this goes underneath. There you go. That locked in. That's how it's supposed to be set up. Right under the belt. Screw it in. I'm trying to get it so it can be straight up. It's all good. What's up, bro? Gotta get all the clips, bro.
Oh, you was raised on over here?
Huh?
You was raised on over here?
I just put this on.
Oh.
You already parked up inside?
No.
What we waiting on?
No, they're doing that shit right now, but I don't think there's any more room on this side, so they're probably just gonna do this photo right here with all who's in there. Oh, you got your key yet?
I was supposed to do it today, but I ran out of time, so I said let me just pull up.
Oh, you installed it?
Yeah, I need to fix this one piece.
What?
This
middle
one right here. I need to tighten it up some more.
It is good.
Yeah, it's 30. I just want to get this one in just a minute.
A little bit more?
Yeah, just a little bit more.
You did it yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Boy, you doing everything himself.
Yeah.
You wanna do springs yourself too?
Fuck that. I need to get my brakes in. I need to do that. I got my fucking leg maker in the back.
You gonna be right there with me now. I got a leg maker too.
Yeah.
That's probably how it be Zach.
Yeah.
That and I'm lighter than him too. I was like,
What's up, boss? You good?
I just put my shit over there.
What's up, boss? How you doing? Chilling, chilling. Come to the front. Hey, hey, y'all good, y'all good. My guy, thank you.
Keep it.
Thank you. I got the I got the motherfucker right here.
Yes, sir, ski.
I was gonna put it in, but I was running out of time.
Tell him to come back to the building. Oh, he went around the building?
Thank you.
So I'm gonna have all of you guys stand on your driver's side. So I'm not gonna do a picture. I'm gonna do a video of this going down. You guys, you know, whatever you guys want. Smile. Kiss the camera. Hey, make sure your asshole.
It's already been picked, my boy.
It's already been picked. It's right here, right? It's right there. I had the Tesla before. Yeah, I got rid of it.
Hey, there's chargers over here. You can charge your Tesla.
What's
wrong with the Tesla?
It was just boring, so I got rid of it. So I had exactly that. The 2013.
For it.
Yeah, they bullied me, so I'm getting rid of it. I was the only electric car then, just nothing but V8s around me.
So you just traded it in for that one?
Yeah, I sold it, then I bought that one. I had to drive to DC, then I shipped it over here.
My daughter works for the dealership.
Yeah?
She lives in Virginia though.
Okay.
My oldest daughter.
Uh-huh.
She lives in Arlington and she works for the dealership. She was working for Dodge and now she does the accounting for I want to say Toyota.
Okay.
But she gets all the hookups.
Yeah.
So we're looking because I want a wide body Scat Pack.
Okay.
But we haven't been driving them. I have a Cadillac. I have a CT6.
Yeah.
So we want to trade it in for a wide body, but they're so
It's
hard.
hard. Yeah, hard. Yeah.
There's no wide body.
None.
Well, I'm gonna get the Jeep Gladiator now. If we find a wide body Scat Pack, then we'll do the wide body.
Do the Scat Pack, wide body Scat Pack.
Because he already has a Durango, so.
Yeah.
Racing people tonight? What are you doing?
wait till I get the red key, then we can talk about racing.
What, you lost it or something?
Nah, I just need to get it programmed. I was gonna do it before I came here, but I was already running late on time. So I'm gonna do it first thing tomorrow. Where? The Dodge dealership? I went. They tried to charge me $220 to program it. Yeah.
So like, you don't have
So I found a locksmith. My bad. I found a locksmith that does it for $69. So I said I'll take it to him tomorrow. Yeah, yeah. You got a hook on yours too?
Yeah.
Hook it on this.
Oh, no, this thing is there. I think,
That's what I hooked mine on.
up to this?
Yeah. I just kind of wrapped it around. See if you gotta get it so it can go higher. There you go. Where the fuck's your shit at?
Yeah, that's perfect. Well, I'm about to take this home. I'm just going to record everybody. Hey, just pull out and go to the front.
Okay.
So we can figure out what's going on.
Okay. You joining up? What you gotta say to the cam?
Man, I'm fucking tired.